If Discord voice chat or messages aren't working, don't worry. The issue could be caused by a temporary app or connection problem. Here are a few simple steps you can try to fix it. First, open the Google Play Store or App Store and check for a Discord update. Make sure you're running the latest version, as an outdated app can sometimes cause voice and messaging issues. Next, if you're using Discord on a mobile device, open your phone's settings, go to Apps, select Discord, and then open Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Avoid clearing the app data unless it's absolutely necessary. After that, go back to the Discord app settings and tap Force Stop. Wait a few seconds, then restart your phone. Once your phone turns back on, open Discord and check your server. Try sending a message and joining a voice channel to see if everything is working properly. In most cases, updating Discord, clearing the cache, force stopping the app, and restarting your phone can resolve temporary voice and messaging problems. However, if Discord is experiencing a wider server outage, there may not be anything you can do on your end. In that case, you'll simply need to wait until Discord restores the service.